We are a steel structure factory with nearly 20 years of experience, integrating R&D, production, and construction to provide factory construction services to numerous countries worldwide. All the required components are produced in the factory, ensuring quality from the source. We select high-strength steel, and the CNC cutting is precise to the millimeter level. The automated welding robots operate continuously. The professional rust removal process is combined with an environmentally friendly anti-corrosion coating, meeting the requirements of various industries. We have an experienced construction team that flexibly uses large lifting equipment, significantly shortening the on-site construction period. Our steel structure products have strong earthquake resistance, high space utilization, are environmentally friendly, recyclable, and have become the preferred choice for many key projects. Choosing us means choosing reliability. We look forward to cooperating with you.